If you own apartments in the northern half of Florida right now, you need to know where the money is flowing because it's not flowing evenly. Let me show you. Now, the chart you're looking at is every single sale over 10 units in the northern half of Florida for the trailing 12 months. And this is market rate, student, and affordable combined. And out of the 118 total sales that have happened over the last 12 months, 42 of them were in Jacksonville, Florida, accounting for $1.15 billion in sales. But the real surprise stories were actually the Panhandle and Volusia County. Now, the Panhandle logged in 21 sales, which was pretty darn good for that area. Volusia County, the dollar a unit sale price went up 18%. Now, it doesn't mean the values went up 18%, but there were a lot more larger deals that traded in the market. Now, Gainesville and Polk County were actually quietly active as well, each posting in over 200 million in sales despite having a smaller number of trades. The takeaway here is the demand is real in every one of these blue markets shown above, which is what these stats are covering. And each one of these markets has different size buyer pools. Now, if you want to know how many active buyers are circling in one of these Florida markets that you own in right now, that's an easy phone call to me or your apartment broker, and it might be one of the most valuable calls you make this year. I'll be listening for you. See you on the next one.